Hello everyone, here's how I make my soulful ragi almond bites. Add a tablespoon of ghee. Roast half cup of ragi flour on a low heat until earthy and aromatic. Roast sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds together. Now in a mixer jar, add 4 to 6 dates, almond butter and coconut milk. Now in a one bowl, add roasted ragi, half cup almond flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee, nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, date paste and the rock salt and the coconut milk. Combine and mix all together. You can add more coconut milk if the mixture is too dry. Now shape into energy bites and that's it, it's ready. Finish top with almond. That's it, no sugar, no stress, just energy in every bite.